Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you. Court to hear preliminary case against OBASEKI, November the 16th. Hello everyone, a very one big thank you to you. Thanks for being supportive. We really appreciate you. We really thank you. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe if this is your first time. We will always keep you up to date with all that is going on in Nigeria and around the world. Currently now as we speak, APC has dragged OBASEKI to court. First of all, it was ADP. ADP dragged OBASEKI to court not because of his win as the governor, but they are still, contesting his, certificate with which he graduated from University of Ibadan, UI, as is fondly called. APC, however, has joined. That is, the candidate is Pastor Sage Ize Iyamu, who has also now joined, who said initially he was not going to contest the result of the election, but however, he has joined now in contesting OBASEKI's result from UI, and that case will be heard November the 16th. Let's go straight into the news so you get all the details. Called to hear preliminary case against OBASEKI, November the 16th. A federal high court in Abuja will begin hearing a suit by the All Progressive Congress and others accusing Governor of Edo State, Governor Godwin Obaseki, of lying about his academic credentials on November the 16th. Justice Ahmed Mohammed picked the date yesterday following the application of the complaint lawyer Akin Ojomo San. Justice Ahmed remained part that the suit was filed on July the 14th and being a pre-section case had a lifespan of 180 days, which will end on January the 21st. January 2020, the 21st. He urged lawyers to cooperate with the court so the case can be determined before the expiration of that date. The plaintiffs claim in terms of words of submission that OBASEKI forged his university certificate, which he presented to the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to aid his qualification for the governorship election. APC, the plaintiffs also claimed that there were discrepancies in the subject of OBASEKI's claim. He passed in his West African Examination Certificate WAEC exam in his testimonial is different from the result of his WAEC on his WAEC certificate. The plaintiff wants the court to declare OBASEKI's claim in his INEC and EC9 as condo sworn in on June 29, 2020 at the Federal High Court, Federal Capital Territory, forgery to that effect that he ordered from the University of Ibadan in 1979, a Bachelor of Arts degree in Classic Studies is false and contrary to Section 31, Subsection 5, Subsection 6 of the Electoral Act 2020. They also want the court to declare OBASEKI lied on oath when he swore to an affidavit on June 29th that he worked in Afro Limited from 1994 to 2014, where he retired. The plaintiffs also want a declaration that OBASEKI is disqualified from contesting election to the office of Edo State Governor for non-fulfillment of the constitutional requirement of the Section 182, Subsection 1 of the Constitution of Nigeria upon presenting forged certificates to the INEC contrary to Section 31, Subsection 5 and 6 of the Electoral Act. So my people, APC has dragged OBASEKI to court. They are not only dragging him to court based on UI. UI, they're still contesting that, where one Emmanuel from ADP said OBASEKI, forged his result, even though UI has issued another one, and the the vice chancellor as well as the registrar of that university has signed, made a national declaration in the national newspaper to say that Obaseki was their student. PDP has also said that, well, what's happening is that it's clear that Obaseki, while filling in the form when he was while filling in the form, stated there that the year of his graduation as the year he entered the university, that it was an obvious mistake, and the mistakes being seen on his certificate is because the certificate was issued on an A5 but later printed on an A4, losing some information, vital information and what have you. So right now it's no longer ADP or Emmanuel suing one of the contestants in the September 19 governorship election that took place in Edo State. It's not just that guy now and his party suing Obaseki. Right now is APC and Pastor Sage Ize Iyamu suing Governor Godwin Obaseki to court to say, come and prove if really what you said was true. If really your documents were in order, come and prove yourself. So Obaseki has been sued to court by the contestant, a very close contestant then at the election, talking about the person of Pastor Sage Ize Iyamu, who has gone on now to say that Obaseki, has to prove it in court. The court has also called on the lawyers that they all should be on ground so that the case could be looked at quickly, because it has a lifespan of 6 months, and this has been filed since July, which will expire in January. So right now, that's where we are. Governor Gordon Obaseki has court case waiting him. We know of the court case of ADP, which just happened, where we reported to you. And now this is another one where APC, Pastor Sage Ize Iyamu and APC, is suing Governor Gordon Obaseki to court to say he forged his certificate, not only the UI, but he said his WAEC, the result and what is on the result is different from what is on his the certificate. And also they say where he worked was also forgery. So there's a lot of claims being done right there, and Governor Gordon Obaseki, the matter is still very much on. 16th of October, we'll be bringing you up to date with regards to that court case. We hope that everything go well, and we hope that everything goes well, because as it stands right now, this looks like a big issue when somebody has won an election and there is so many court cases coming up here and there, court cases here and there. It's quite unfortunate, very unfortunate, but my people, it's happening, and this is where we are at the moment. We'll be keeping you up to date as the matter unfolds. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, to like us, to share, to subscribe. Click on the notification button. God bless you. Have a good day. Bye for now.